Tired of typing the same responses over and over in Salesforce? Learn to set up quick text in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through creating a quick text that autofills account details. Follow these 10 simple steps. Start by clicking on the Quick Text tab to open that area. Then go ahead and click on New Quick Text to create a new one. Now enter the details. For this example, we'll use AI Mastery as the quick text name. In the Related To dropdown, select the object you want this quick text to relate to. So click on Account as the object. Next, in the Field dropdown, choose the field where the quick text will insert. Go ahead and click on Account ID for this example. Now type in your message, the text you want to insert. Then click on Insert to Merge Fields to add any merge fields you need. Finally, hit Save to finish setting up your quick text. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.